Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unlocking the secrets behind how modern cars keep our air cleaner. Ever wondered what's really happening under the hood to reduce emissions? Well, buckle up, because we're going on a journey inside the exhaust system. We're talking catalytic converters, diesel aftertreatment, SCR, EATs, DPF, and DEF, all the cool tech that helps turn car exhaust into something much safer for our planet. I'll break each one down as if we're on a journey through the emissions cleaning process inside a modern diesel engine. Let's start with the catalytic converter. Picture it as the car's pollution bouncer, positioned in the exhaust system. As exhaust gases flow through, it uses metals like platinum or rhodium to catalyze a reaction that turns harmful pollutants, like carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides, into harmless nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Imagine it as a chemical filter that's continuously scrubbing and purifying gases as they rush by, making our air cleaner with every drive. Now, as we shift into diesel engines, we meet the diesel aftertreatment filter or DAF. This component sits right after the catalytic converter, designed to capture soot and other particulates that come out of the diesel combustion process. Think of it like a net or a sieve that traps tiny particles that would otherwise pollute the air. Once it's full, it cleans itself through a process called regeneration, where it burns off the soot. Let's keep going along the line. After our DAF, the exhaust gases continue into the selective catalytic reduction system. SCR is a powerhouse when it comes to reducing NOx emissions, which are particularly high in diesel engines. SCR introduces diesel exhaust fluid into the exhaust stream, which then reacts with the NOx gases in a catalyst chamber, turning them into harmless nitrogen and water. You could say it's like a chemistry lab on the road, using DAF to transform toxic gases into safe ones. Now, the entire setup of DAF, SCR, and catalytic converters forms what we call the exhaust aftertreatment system EATs. This system is our exhaust's ultimate cleanup crew. It's the full package. Each component works in sync to meet strict emission standards by filtering, converting, and breaking down pollutants to keep the air cleaner. The diesel particulate filter DPF adds another layer. Picture it as a superfine filter, catching even the tiniest soot particles left over from combustion. DPF traps these particles until the filter heats up enough to burn them off in a process known as regeneration. This keeps particulate emissions near zero, which is essential for reducing air pollution from diesel engines. And finally, we have diesel exhaust fluid, or DAF, which I like to think of as the magic ingredient for the SCR system. DAF is a mix of urea and water that, when sprayed into the exhaust, helps break down NOx emissions. It's kept in a separate tank, and sensors track when it's low so you can refill it. Without DAF, the SCR can't do its job, so it's vital for the whole system. I hope this journey through emission control makes it all a little clearer. It's fascinating how every part, from the catalytic converter to DAF, plays a role in cleaning up the air, making modern cars not just smarter but greener too. If you enjoyed this explanation and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thank you, and drive safe.